Is this the boldest Toyota GR86 ever made? The 2026 Toyota GR86 Yuzu just dropped, and it's turning heads everywhere. With a color so bright it could stop traffic and performance that stays true to its roots, this car is sparking serious hype. You're watching Cars Nuva, and today we're giving you the first look at this spicy new model that everyone's talking about. Let's go! Let's start with that color, Yuzu. Inspired by the Japanese citrus fruit, it's bold, fresh, and totally unmissable. Toyota isn't playing it safe here, and we love it. The 2026 model keeps the same aggressive styling we know and love. Sharp LED headlights, sculpted lines, and those sporty 18-inch wheels. It's still low, wide, and ready to pounce, just with a neon punch to the face. Under the hood, not much has changed, and that's a good thing. The 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine still delivers 228 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. 0 to 60 comes in just over 6 seconds, and the rear-wheel drive layout keeps it a true driver's car. Lightweight, nimble, and engaging. It's everything a pure sports car should be. Inside, Toyota keeps things functional and focused. The GR86 Yuzu features black sport bucket seats with contrast stitching, a digital instrument cluster, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No gimmicks here, just a clean, driver-oriented cockpit that makes you want to grab the wheel and go. Starting price? Around $31,000. Depending on your trim and transmission choice, that's a lot of driving fun for the money, especially in a world where sports cars are becoming rare. So, what do you think of the 2026 Toyota GR86 Yuzu? Would you rock this citrus-colored rocket, or is it too bold for you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews like this Cars Nuva.